What will win in a drag race between the new Volkswagen Golf GTI 8.5 with its uprated power output, or a Mk7 Clubsport? Or how about a Mk7 Golf R? Well, I'm going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, and you're watching Carwow. The Mk7 Volkswagen Golf GTI Clubsport has a 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine with 300 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. It drives the front wheels via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox and weighs in at 1,461 kilos. This car cost from just over £40,000 when it was new. The Mk7 Golf R has a 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine with 300 horsepower and 380 Nm of torque. It drives all 4 wheels via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox, and the car weighs in at 1,500 kilos. Back in 2013, this car cost just under £32,000. The Mk 8.5 Golf GTI has a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine with 265 horsepower and 370 Nm of torque. It drives the front wheels only via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox and weighs in at 1,400 kilos. The starting price of this car is just under £39,000. This is going to be very interesting, but before we get into the racing, I think, Rory, let's do a sound check. Let's start with you and your Akrapovic exhaust. That is pretty nice. Let me have a listen to this one. It's good too, yeah. Let's have a listen to yours, Sam.
That's the rules, pops and bangs, I win, don't I?
I don't know, you'd have heard Rory's if you put your windows down, or you're just too frightened of the heat. Have I got an Akrapovic?
You do on a Clubsport, yes, and it was popping and banging.
I like this one best. Yeah, we agree, Clubsport wins. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Oh, this feels fruity. Oh! We'll do that again. Listen to the mine. God, that's way better. Let's have a listen. No, yours isn't. He wins that. That's amazing. Ah! Don't bother, Sam. You're wasting everybody's time. Nick.
Okay, folks, we're going for a take.
Talking into that. Nick, can you come and get my bottle of water, please? Devo. Oh, that's 4-wheel drive for you.
Look at Rory go.
Oh, 4-wheel drive, boys.
Me and Sam were neck and neck. It's quite interesting the difference between the Clubsport and that. I've got my back window open because I'm a moron because I opened it earlier. Wow.
I don't think I jumped, but I'm smashing them.
First off, Sam, me and you were so close off the line, like when it was all about traction, very, very close. What tyres have I got on though? You've got Bridgestone.
You got Pilot Sport Cup 2s, you're cheating.
And you've got Cup 2s on your R and it just went ting. Still, best 2 out of 3?
I mean, this is gutless compared to those two, but yeah, why not?
Oh, poor Sam. Come on. Dry your eyes, come on. Oh my God, this is like on another level. I'd like to rotate this, This is wicked. My God, the handling on this is way more fun than your car.
I agree. That car looks so stiff behind me.
I am so stiff behind you, Sam.
I heard it as soon as I said it.
3, 2, 1.
Me and Sam are just so like neck and neck off the line. And that R just goes, but I'm actually closer. That was a better launch.
4-wheel drive.
Now I've got a bit more heat to my Cup 2s.
Apparently 300 horsepower.
This is good, this. Ooh, love it.
Shows you how much quicker the old R's are, even when they're old.
You're so pleased, aren't you, Rory?
I mean, I do have 2 extra driven wheels. People love this Mk7, don't they, the R? I think people often like it more than the 8, and it's such a cool thing. It sounds awesome, lovely interior. Yeah, this is peak golf.
You and I, though, Sam, launched together, and then I just pull away. Power, though, isn't it, really?
They're identical first and second, and when you get into third and fourth, you're just away.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Mk7 Golf R won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 12.8 seconds. The GTI Clubsport took 13.3 seconds, and the Mark 8.5 Golf GTI took 14.1 seconds. If you're changing your car, then you've got to check out CarWow, because there's nothing quite like knowing that you're getting a great price, both when selling your old car and finding a new one. CarWow makes all the stuff that's hard work about car changing, like the haggling, the no-shows, and the nasty surprises, a thing of the past, life-changing. Now, if you want to go to CarWow right now, I'll put a link in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Alternatively, you can click on the pop-out banner appearing in the top right-hand corner of the screen now, or scan the QR code on screen using your mobile phone to go directly there. Car change, CarWow. Now we're going for a rolling race from 80 kilometers an hour, but the cars are going to be in comfort mode. They're going to be in automatic mode for the gearbox, just as if you're cruising along, and we'll see which is quickest over the half mile when I count it in. So come on, everybody, let's get to 80 kilometers an hour. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh, hello.
Woohoo! Why did this really take so long to kick down?
Yeah!
Am I even going to catch the others? I'm coming through now.
That's 265 horsepower versus 300 horsepower.
Oh my God, look at Matt go!
Versus 300 horsepower.
Whoa, this is really close.
He's beat me.
In real world driving, like motorway kind of like, oh, I need to overtake. Really close that was. I mean, Sam, it felt like you were on boost already and in the right gear already and not to be trusted already. But what was going on with you? Because you just shot off.
I actually thought, oh, this is going to be really bad, because we were both coasting next to each other. And when you said go, I just plonked it and it went. It was good.
And you're not really feeling your four-wheel drive so much now, are you, Rory? You just got added weight.
Yeah, same power, and then my extra driven wheels do me more weight. Yeah, and you won. I can't believe it. That car looks so nice though, in that colour and with that wing on the back. So it's nice to see the back of it, to be fair.
That sounds like you want me to just bugger off. It's nice to see the back of him. That's what people always say about me. Anyway, let's take the gearbox out of the equation and go manual. This is something else. Love it. My conclusion, based on almost every experience with car manufacturers, is the special editions are way better than the extra money they cost.
I guess they have to be though, right? They're just like advertising, aren't they? They don't want to make a profit on them. They want them to show off, I guess.
Yeah, like the difference between this and the standard car and like a Golf R in terms of the handling, it's like so different. Right, so let's go into manual mode for the gearbox, sportiest setting. This is my sportiest setting voice. Same again, 80 kilometers an hour, third gear rolling on. Let's do it, guys. 3, 2, 1, go.
That's better.
This will auto change. Clubsport shouldn't auto change. Oh. Now I'm dropping in.
He's away.
It's really at the top end, like lower down torque, very similar. Okay, so that does like kind of pose a few more questions for me than it answers, because we were much closer than I was anticipating. And it's really at the top end where this gaps that, isn't it? You, boy. How's it for you, darling? Change my tone.
It was okay.
But again, I think I timed my changes pretty well, but the extra weight, I mean, come on. It's not doing me any favours and you won.
Why are you timing your changes? You don't need to. For some reason, Volkswagen likes to auto change in manual mode when you redline it.
Okay, so being honest, I did the first one and then I just let it do the rest.
Good. One more run. We'll do second gear from 50 kilometers an hour just to see if there's any difference there. Okay. We ready? I'm Don't bother changing up, Rory. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow!
Oh no!
Oh, Sammy.
It's all to do with the torque curve, darling.
Ah!
Woo! But this is now just flying. Feels good on the brakes as well, this thing. We'll find out how good in a moment. Okay, so Sam, that was even more bizarre.
Do you know what though? I think this 0 to 60 mile an hour out of traffic lights, off corners and stuff like that in the real world is probably just as fast, but when that gets a chance to stretch its legs, that's where it just shows itself, doesn't it?
Absolutely. I mean, top end, it just keeps going. It's so nice. Rory, you were ahead of the 8.5, but not by much, really.
No, and I promise I didn't even tickle the flaps here. But yeah, no, too heavy, and I lost.
This is a family show. Next thing you'll be saying. Right, now we can have a brake test from 160 kilometers an hour when we reach the line for emergency stop. If you'd rather watch another drag race with Volkswagens, click on the pop-out banner up there for the link in the description below. If not, stay here for the brake test. Let me get closer to the wheel for maximum force on the pedal. Here comes the line now. Wow. Ow. Were you happy with that, Sam? This stops really well.
Holy beep. That just stopped.
I know, it was really good. We need to stay where we are while the cameraman finally makes his way up. I think he's dying in the sun, look. Poor cameraman. He does look like a serial killer, although I don't think serial killers wear high vis. Oh, they do, don't they? Lorry drivers have to wear high vis. Sorry, that was a Clarkson joke.
Only when they get out of the cab to put the bodies in the back.
Sam, do you think your Bridgestone tyres had an effect on that?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, that's lighter, stiffer. Has it got bigger brakes?
Don't know really. We'll flash up a graphic on the screen that says whether it has or hasn't. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to watch some videos, different ones, click on the windows. If you want to compare these cars, quarter mile times to everything else we've ever drag raced, then just click on that carwow logo. You'll be able to compare them. In the carwow drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.